Hi guys, this is me, our safe room guy, and the reason my eyes are closed because I just woke up and it's like really bright in my room. So anyway, I'm here today to do a review of this, or unboxing some of you might call it. It's a BB gun. It's spring, so you cock it back, fire. So it's a Ha11 BB. Doesn't really say much in the box. It shows you some pictures there. Then the specification will tell you later. So when you open it up, my dad bends the packaging when he asked me not to, because I knew I was going to do an unboxing, but oh well. This is the gun. It's full plastic. It's spring, so you pull it back to fire. It's got a metal trigger though, metal hammer, metal safety, metal side stay, and I'll explain what the side stay is. This is a good gun if you want to kind of stay safe, because, and also, I'll explain why in a minute. If you're out of ammo, it does this and stays there when your magazine has no bullets, in which mine doesn't. So then you just press this. Then you can fire. Now what I meant, if you push this a little bit up, then it won't fire. And then you push it down, and it fires. So I'm going to explain the mag now, because this leads to some confusion. It's got one on both sides. It's something like, I'm not sure what, ambidextrous, yes. It's an ambidextrous gun, so I think the magnet now. 15 rounds it holds. I don't know how many, I don't have Bulldog, but basically you get the spring at the side, pull it down, and this little hole, you just put the bullets in that. And then insert it into the gun. If something was randomly do that, but you can see the bullet in the you could see there's a bullet in the mechanism. It's 35 meters in range, apparently. 35 meters in range, 15 rounds in its magazine. So a little white dot, I don't know what that stands for though. One more bullet, I think. Yeah. So it's quite nice, it's quite weighty. Well, a little bit complicated magazine, but still. 200, sorry about the background noise, but 230 FPS, that's feet per second, or velocity. Quite a lot of different terms. When you pull back, this bit opens so you can see if you've got a jam. 18 plus, let's see if it says anything else in the box. No, it does not. It says the weight, 460 G. Length, 19.5 centimeters. 0.12 gram ammo. So, I also have gameplay of this. This is the latest Call of Duty Black Ops 2. Really good. Quite, it's not as bad good as you'd expect. And sorry, it's my SX and my Xbox, but also I've got the manual and stuff, so that should be good. But I would recommend this, $19.99 off of justbbguns.co.uk. UK. Quite nice. Thanks for watching. Bye.